See that prop?
Good morning, Blackbushe information. This is Golf Tango Alpha Alpha Tango. Also calling for fuel information and taxi.
Golf Tango Alpha Alpha Tango, Blackbushe information, readability 5, taxi holding point Alpha 1, runway 25 for the left-hand circuit, QNH 1009.
QNH 1009, 25 Alpha 1 for left-hand circuit, and read you 5 also, Golf Alpha Tango. Thank you. And Golf Alpha Tango approaching Alpha 1, ready for departure.
Golf Alpha Tango, runway 25, take off at your discretion, surface wind 180, 05 knots.
Taking off runway 25, Golf Alpha Tango.
Blackbushe, good morning, Tomcat 1.
Tomcat 1, Blackbushe information, good morning. Runway 25 for the left-hand circuit, QNH 1009.
5009, Tomcat 1, and 4 to the north.
Tomcat 1, roger, report left side.
Okay.
Golf Tango Alpha Alpha Tango here. I'll maintain my listening watch, but just for your information, I'm heading to Elstree.
Golf Tango Alpha Alpha Tango, roger.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Golf Charlie Whiskey, traffic left. 11 o'clock, 4 miles, manoeuvring, currently tracking left to right, no altitude, possible glider, keep good look out.
Roger, with traffic, Golf Charlie Whiskey.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
Charlie Whiskey. Previously mentioned traffic now left, 10 o'clock range of 1 mile southbound at no point.
We're traffic, Golf Charlie Whiskey.
Golf Charlie Whiskey. The previously mentioned traffic in your right, 1 o'clock now, range of 3 miles. Slow moving northbound, slightly right to left, and no altitude.
Roger, looking, Golf Charlie Whiskey.
Golf Charlie Whiskey, report to Farmer Radar 132.8.
Change to Farmer Radar 132.8, Golf Charlie Whiskey. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
Helicopter, Delta X-ray.
Delta X-ray.
Delta X-ray, we'd like to depart via route Charlie and then do a 180 and come back inbound on Charlie for a practice auto rotation from the overhead 750 feet, if that's alright with you.
Roger, there is a PA32 which will be calling downwind for 26 left shortly, visiting aircraft.
Roger, that's complete. We'll keep a lookout and if necessary just not do it, Delta X-ray. And helicopter Delta X-ray is crossing and departing Charlie.
Oh, Roger.
And Golf Alpha Tango PA32 has now entered the ATZ and joining downwind left-hand circuit to land 26 Golf Alpha Tango.
Roger, there's an R44 helicopter just airborne. We're crossing over the reservoir and then coming back. Over.
Copy the traffic and it is in sight, Golf Alpha Tango. And helicopter Delta X-ray is also visual. Alpha information, good morning, Golf India, Oscar India, tactical clearance and radio technical information.
Golf Oscar India, Elstree radio, strength 5, 26 left in use. The QNH is 1009er.
QNH 1009, Golf India, Oscar India. Helicopter Delta X-ray, high final.
Sorry, was that Alpha Tango final?
Alpha Tango's final to land 26.
190 degrees at 8 knots, but no reported traffic except for the helicopter on the northern side.
Helicopter's in sight now for Tango. Helicopter Golf short final north side grass contact 1 on.
Roger, fixing, just landing.
Visual helicopter Golf. Helicopter Delta X-ray to cross the Perso behind, fixing on the runway.
Delta X-ray, roger. Are you using it again today?
Hey, Perso.
You're going to put it on the Perso, please?
Yeah, Perso, western end, Delta X-ray.
Alpha Tango, continue to the end at Charlie, please.
Continue to the end at Charlie and then taxi back on the grass.
If you do a 180, you'll be able to taxi back and vacate at Alpha.
180, then backtrack and vacate at Alpha. Golf Alpha Tango, thank you.